It is Wednesday and it is the day before Thanksgiving. I am not in court today, just getting things ready for some clients next week. We are expecting a very busy next week in our offices in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It did come out with a blog article today regarding one of the common offenses that we see during Thanksgiving and the holiday season, and that is drunk driving, DUI, and DWI in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And in that article, I detail the field sobriety test as well as why you should not confuse tolerance and impairment. Remember, they are two different things, and not feeling drunk does not mean that you aren't over the legal limit in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, which is 0.08. And it's 0.08 everywhere in the United States, regardless of where you are traveling. So tomorrow is Thanksgiving, followed by Friday is the unofficial start of the holiday season. And during the holiday season, I always caution people not to drink and drive, because obviously one of the most common offenses that we see is drunk driving, and that offense obviously can really ruin your holiday season and well into beyond 2022. In the article today, I talk about field sobriety testing, and while I always advise clients not to refuse the chemical test, you can refuse the field sobriety test. Just understand, if you refuse that test, more than likely, if your case goes to trial, the prosecution will likely use your refusal as consciousness of guilt. So you might need to weigh that. Now, if you refuse the test, you should tell the officer why you're refusing it. For instance, if you have some physical limitation, so the one-leg stand test or the walk and turn test, for a lot of people, it is very difficult. Also, depending on what types of footwear you have on, or depending on where you're given the test, that could affect your ability to perform the test correctly. If you're giving it on a dark highway, it's not well lit, or you have some concerns about your safety, you should tell the officer that. So that is just recorded. Remember, nowadays, the officers do have body cameras, and also the patrol cars themselves have what's called MVR, motor vehicle recordings, and that goes for both state troopers and local police. But if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI in New Jersey, remember, the best time to hire a lawyer is right after that arrest. If you have any questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. The website, GamboneLaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there. We answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Please don't drink and drive. Look for more articles throughout the holiday week and the holiday weekend on both drinking and driving, and as well as carrying your Pennsylvania gun into New Jersey and why you shouldn't do that. Also, I'll put out some articles regarding illegal search and seizure and your rights if you are stopped by police in either Pennsylvania or New Jersey. Remember, warrantless searches are permissible in the Garden State, but they are once again illegal in Pennsylvania, and we've had a lot of litigation over that recent decision in the Pennsylvania Supreme Court, which came out last year. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Wednesday. Have a great Thanksgiving holiday to you and your family, and I'll talk to you all very soon.